I bought this tent from the Shopee app. This is the smallest family tent that they have. I believe like 3x2. Kasi yung old tent namin was really small. Family of 4 kami, hindi na kami kasya sa loob. So, I bought this tent. Wala siyang instructions nung pinadala, just a box and then yung lalagyan ng tent. Pero, it took me about 30 minutes to set up kasi inisip ko pa kung saan yung mga poles. Pero, essentially, ganyan siya. So, that's how it is. Merong partition dito sa loob. Take you inside. So, meron siyang partition dito sa loob. And then, this would be the door na this, you can like put stakes up on it and meron siyang lona. And then this is the other door and this is it without the rain fly. This is the second partition of it. So it is pretty big. One person can set this up. If I bought the bigger one, kasi tatlong size to eh. If I bought the bigger one, kailangan siguro 2 person. Pero this one, I could set it up on my own once I figured out kung saan yung mga poles. So, this is what it looks like. I marked the poles na kung saan sila dapat. Like, sa side, sa middle. But essentially, yeah, goodbye tong tent na to. It's a goodbye. Pretty big for... I'm very happy with it. So, yung material niya, basic tent material, hindi siya ganun kakapal. Pero like, wala na akong makitang tent na nagustuhan ko. So, the flooring, like that material. Kailangan mo siguro ng cover underneath para just in case mag-rain, hindi papasok yung ulan. Pero sabi ng maker nito is rain. This is waterproof, pero yung zippers are not waterproof. So, pwede pa rin siyang pasukin ng ulan. So, essentially, yan yung loob niya. I would say if you're a family of 4 to 5, this would be good for you.